Hi guys, I'm unboxing this wooden kitchen mixer set. It has 9 pieces here. I got this for my little one, and I'm pleased with how it arrived. It seemed to be packaged safely. So we've got a bunch of little pieces in here. Okay, so we've got a little flour, sack of flour. Then we have, the mixer here, and then we've got individually wrapped pieces in it. So let me show you this. Okay, so it's got a bowl here. This piece lifts up, and we have a plastic bowl, and then we have the flour and the sugar, and oh wow, this is actually really nice quality. It has a little moving piece here, and you can mix up here. Oh, actually, this is very nice quality. That lifts up, and then let me show you the smaller pieces. Okay, so I just unwrapped the smaller pieces. We have a rolling pin, then we have a little cutting board that came with, I guess, 2 little like cookies, and then it also came with this egg that has Velcro to attach with it. So we've got these little pieces, and this is a nice little set. This would make a great little set. This is for my birthday for my little one, and I'm pleased with this. I think it's good quality, and was wrapped securely. This would make a great gift. So I hope this unboxing review was helpful for you.